In this video, I'll show you what to do if your universal insert looks like this. So universal insert should actually look like this. You see how the metal petals are all inward on the right here? But on the left, they're not, and you need to just push them back in. So if you have fingernails like I do, you can use your fingernails to push the petals in, or you can use like the back of a nib here and just grab onto the petal and push down, push down. So you can note that even if your petals are out like they were before, you can actually fit your Nico G nib in the insert. Where you're going to run into problems if the petals are out is when you use smaller nibs like this Browse Extra Fine 66. Now that the petals are in, it fits perfectly. But when the petals are out, the pen won't hold it. So that's what you do if you receive a pen that has the petals out. Just push them back in and it will be ready for any nib you want to use it with.